Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gina Life in the Philippines. So for today's video guys, is I will let you know that I'm going to downtown to buy some materials to rebuild my house, and I'm waiting the foreman and the skilled workers to come here in my house to list all the materials needed to rebuild my house. So first I'm going to do skincare with my face. As you can see, I have a lot of pimples because I am already stressed and very lot of difficulties in life. So that's the reality. And I think my hormones changing because I am 22 right now, and I was having menstruation in the past. No, in the last week. So look at my face, but I'm still pretty. But let's go. Let's do a little bit skincare. This is simple skincare, guys. Simple skincare. Guys, I don't have a small mirror here in my house, so I have this comb, and at the back of this comb is a little bit mirror. So it's multi uses. See, oh, toner. Toner. Next is sunscreen. I need the sunscreen because here in the Philippines it's so hot outside. So sunscreen is important. So I'm done, guys. So look at my face. I'm gonna comb my hair. Every woman feel this one, a messy hair. So it's struggling a lot the way they comb the dry hair. So my hair is dry, but I put the conditioner on it, so it's fine. So I'll let you guys when I'm done preparing my hair. Okay, guys, I'm done. Ta-da! So, Naning, come here, come here. Guys, look at my cat. Look at my cat. Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. And I have a little one, kittens here. Hello. Goody bye. Asleep, girl. And it's Bia. Up here, Bia. Up here. You don't know, up here. Up here, very good. Lala, where you been, Lala? Good girl. Yes, that's all my babies. That's all my babies, guys. So I think the workers said they don't want to come here today. Maybe tomorrow. So tomorrow, maybe I go there in the downtown to buy that all materials. So today I give you a little life update of me. So Guys, thank you so much for who those willing to help me and the kindness you give it to me and to my family. Thank you so much for that, and I really appreciate that because it's helped me a lot to build my home, and it feels me safety and not worrying a lot if my house is already done building and no whip, no leaking, no scared when the night's coming, and because my house is like this, open like that. So if my house is done, and then it's really give me safety while I'm sleeping, and also my little siblings and all my families. So that's all for today's, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please like and share and subscribe me and support me. Thank you.